Today is day 16 and I'm super excited. From day 12 live stream, we started a case study which is analyzing customer churn in Power BI. And so far, so good. We've done a lot of exploratory analysis and a lot of investigative analysis. Then the next part was actually building a report and making sense out of what we've learned or what we've done so far in the case study. On the last live stream, we started building this report. This is the first page. And this overview page, we're actually focusing on the churn rate, number of customers, and those that have churned. We also look at the churn reasons why these customers are actually leaving the company. So let's create a second page. I said it earlier in your reports that portrays insight about the age buckets and groups. You will use the dynamic parameter from chapter 2 in combination with filters to make the report more interactive. Oh, okay, we recommend you keep working. So we have that. So create a new page and name it age groups. So we're going to we want to look at churn rates probably by age groups because we have age age column in our data set here. We have the different customer age. You can see we have age of customers. You can see we have different age of the customers. And the age is not actually broken down into those that are under 30, those that are senior. So let's look at the churn rates probably by age, by ages, or age group rather. So let's look at, let me name the page age group. Age groups. Okay, this is the number of customer by churn rate, and this was it. I'll just copy that and drop it here real quick. Let's see. We'll just put it somewhere here. We're still coming back to the final formatting and so on like that. I have this here already.